What's up? It's me, April. So I'm here at E Street. So I'm visiting one of the restaurant here. So come on, join me tonight and let's have fun out. Place is very it's small space when you enter, but when you go inside, it's very huge. On the rooftop. So how's the ambience, guys? Now it's cold and it's really good to sit down on the rooftop while having Shisha. So come on.
Let your show, hey, get it right. Step and let your show, hey, let your show, hey, let your show. Now walk it out, 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 now walk it out. Let's go.
So guys, I really enjoyed a lot tonight. It wasn't my pick or my choices of the food that I was taking tonight, but really, I was amazed by the ambience. It's really good. It's very nice, very peaceful. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye.